Hello everyone, myself Amrut Chai. I am studying in 10th class in ZPHS Palakurthy, Jhangaram district, Telangana. Project is train accident prevention system. Now this component I am used Arduino UNO, buzzers, LED and power bank, servo cable and connecting wires, jumble cables. First I am taken one cardboard and applied chart with glue and draw these all items, and I am connecting this UNO and LEDs and connecting wires with VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, and A1 negative positive terminals and negative terminals. Now this is power bank. I am connecting to this power bank. When train goes in front of this ultrasonic sensor, the ultrasonic sensors are capture the train rays, and like this when train go like otherwise. Why this project means, in our Indian railway tracks some animals enter into the railway tracks and they are dying. But when train is going on to the railway tracks, some animal is entering and the train is accidentally doing the accidents. We will lose the animals. So animals are, they don't know train is coming or not coming, they don't know. But we will apply this system in the railway tracks. When train come, the buzzer starts blowing. Buzzer blow very loudly like this. The animals being alert from this sound, they will fear to this sound and they will move forward or backward to the railway tracks. Like this we save animals. Like this advantage, and it is less cost and no manpower use. When we on this system, it is takes less electricity, and when train go on means only on, and this system is only used for only railway tracks, not on roads, because for road every 1 minute or 2 minutes vehicles is going to another village, etc., etc. So when vehicle go, this ultrasonic sensor is capture the rays and blowing sound. This, due to this we will lose electricity, lot of electricity we will lose, and waste of energy. So when we keep this system in railway tracks, it is useful to animals and no manpower use, and saving electricity and no cost. And like this we will developing in this India, and this is my project. Thank you to my school for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you everyone.